Hey everybody, it's Andrew with ShelfAware. Here today with another quick tutorial video. This time I'm going to give you a quick overview of the supplier side of ShelfAware. So I am logged in as Jane Doe for Demo Supply Incorporated, and her screen defaulted to the customer screen, but you can set your default screen. I'll give you a quick overview of all the different features inside ShelfAware for the suppliers. We'll start on the administration side. Customer tab, which is where we are right now. Any screen you look at is going to be composed of two parts. You have the search criteria up here at the top. So this will allow you to manipulate the data that you're going to see down here in the search grid. So here, down here is the search grid. On the customer screen here, inside administration, this will show you every customer that you as a supplier have set up on the ShelfAware system. Now you can add customers down here, you can update customer records, or you can simply view a customer record. So we'll highlight Demo Manufacturing Inc., which is currently the only customer we have set up. Click View Customer, and you can see all the different fields, information you can plug in there. And then to every customer setup, there's two layers. There's the overall customer layer, and if you drill down a little further, you get customer location layer. So quickly, again, we only have one manufacturer set up, and they currently only have one location set up. But if you had a customer on the ShelfAware platform that ran 2 or 3 or maybe 4 or 5 different operating companies spread across America, of course, that's what we excel at, is delivering VMI services to all of them. So you could have each one of them set up here. That's another layer of uniqueness that you can run inside of ShelfAware to split up, who you're trying to manage that day. And then if we flip over to the inventory van, I'll start on supplier item. So this is pretty simple. This is your supplier part numbers, your supply items that are on the platform. This list will grow with every customer you add, but it'll always be shorter than the other list, which is the customer item list. And the reason that is because the supplier items, they're your item numbers, and you, as you set up more customers on the ShelfAware platform, may use the same item number, sell the same bulk forks or dish soap or basic safety glasses to several different customers. Those customers will have different customer item information that will be matched to your supplier item. So your supplier items, you might have 500 of those in the system, and you sell them 1,500 different ways to 3 or 4 different customers. So here we are on the customer item side. If I hit search here, you'll see customer item information. So this is to our single customer, Demo Manufacturing. We have a total of 10 units set up in the system, 10 different items. And the customer item screen is a great overview of what you have set up for a particular customer. If you come up here to the search grid and drop down customers, you could select just a single customer, hit search. Of course, we only have one, and it'll bring back your results. It's a great screen for just assessing the overall health of each supply chain. As you can see, there's some red boxes here highlighting a couple items that we're currently stocked out at the customer's location, so we need to pay extra attention to those. But you can also see the inventory levels for every item real time that you're supplying to your current customer. If we go over to the order screen, it'll show you every order delivered, confirmed, and open that you have and for each one of your customers. So you can see the status here of our only order that we've generated. We also have tracking information. If we click that link, it will go to UPS to give us current tracking information. This one's already marked as delivered, so we've dropped it off to Demo Manufacturing Inc. And then for details on each order, you'll go to Order Item. This screen I think can be a bit overwhelming, but if we just hit search, it'll bring back every order line item we've ever delivered to any of our customers, unless we chop it up by information in this kind of filter screen up here in the search grid. So you could do it by customer location to pare it down a little bit. You could do it by order number. Currently we just have one order in the system. And then the other thing that you'll have to get good at with screens like this with a lot of information is learning how to use this drag a column and drop it into group by column. So this gray bar right here, any column header that you'd like to sort off of, you can drag into this gray area and it'll sort. And the order item screen, the most valuable one from my viewpoint, is customer item number. So you can see we just have one order here, order number 533, and it's got 48 lines in that order, and it's just a bit overwhelming to look at. So if we drag it into customer item number, it'll sort by customer item number and group them into item number groups. So for order number 533, we have 8 pieces of 02, 687, 8456, 5 of this, 5 of that, 3 of that, 5 of that, 4 of this, 10 of that, and so on and so forth. So you can see it's pretty helpful to sort it that way, and then you can, of course, click the drop down and look at all 8 items on that order. So that's a nice feature. And just real quickly before I sign off, every one of these windows that we just went through is customizable to your liking. So I know there's lots of data, there's lots of fields, and not every supplier is going to use them the same. So simply go up to the search criteria bar up here, look for the button that says customize. It'll bring up your customize window, and you can customize, again, the search criteria, which is up top, or you can customize the search grid simply by adding available fields or removing selected fields with these arrows. And then these selected fields you can order left to right, up and down by using these up and down arrows here. So you'd save that, and that would be unique to your role, to your profile, to your login. So anyway, that's a quick overview. Try to keep it brief. I know that's a lot of information, but look for additional tutorial videos that break down certain features. I'll dive deep into each screen and give you more details. But today, just wanted to give you a brief rundown of the supply side for the ShelfAware platform. All right, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.